Good morning, guys. Let's dive into the Ethereum metrics and see if we're going to purchase any Ethereum today. The Ethereum Emotional Index is what we're going to start with today. So this morning, as I'm viewing this with you guys, we are actually ticking down into the anxious section, and this is actually pretty bullish. I like this. I know some retail traders may not be liking this because it tells us that they're anxious, but anxious readings, guys, are times for you to get ready because this has resulted in moves back up in the market every single time since December of last year. Obviously, we can go in the past further, but every time we have come into this zone, it says, get your emotions ready. We are probably going to see some type of turnaround in the market soon. And we've actually reached this level twice before over here and have resulted in moves back up. So is it time to buy today? Let's give ourselves a little more data, but this is a good sign for people looking to buy into the market. Ethereum whales, smart money, guys. Let's get into what whales are doing. So this morning, we're not seeing a lot of crazy acquisition for long trades or short trades. We saw a lot of buying power over here in the market, and this is where we put $10,000 into the market. We saw them move back up here. But this morning, just to be honest, like not every chart's going to be super sexy every morning. We need to be waiting for more confirmation. This is how we are patient. Our trade wins are 186 wins, 0 losses. You guys hear me say that all the time. Patience is what's going to be the name of the game, guys, for success in trading. We're looking for this metric to be up here between about 800 to 1,000 because there has never been a time where you can find this metric up at this area where we have not seen whales buying into the market, and we have seen massive moves back up. If you guys can time the lows here and wait for whales to start buying at that degree, you're going to win trades a lot faster, okay? Just giving you guys little nuggets here as we kind of go through these metrics this morning. Okay, dollar cost average entries. This morning, it is quite favorable for those of you guys looking for long trades. We are nowhere into the short, or I would call this probably sell territory, which is the red bars here. We're not overbought. We're actually moving to the downside here into the oversold territory. And I would watch this a little bit further. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but right here, there's support. Right here, there's resistance. If this breaks to the downside, you better believe that this metric is going to shoot to the downside here. And if it gives you a green bar, as it is done every time since the beginning of the year, these have all been perfect dollar cost average entries. I don't think this descending resistance is going to last long because, sorry to draw over this metric here for a second, this is a massive bull flag. And so you guys know that this thing breaks to the upside like 85% of the time or greater. So we are watching diligently for these last moments to get money into the market because I do believe this is going to break to the upside soon. Now, taking a look at support and resistances, I do think a move down to 2,850 is very, very likely in the market. If you get down here to support one more time and you come over here and you see that the emotional index is anywhere close to the bottom section here, or if you happen to tick into fearful, that is a jackpot opportunity to get money back into the market. And I can bet you guys if that happens, we're going to see whales start to gobble that lower price up because they're buying the fearful emotions from retail traders. And then when that happens, I wouldn't doubt if we start pushing down here to a metric value between 40 and 50. And if we get a green bar, guys, just follow the metrics. That is going to be a very, very good dollar cost average entry for you guys to get into the market. Okay, guys, these metrics, access them every single morning on all 40 coins and make some good decisions. If you go to tradeconfident.io with the link in the description and you start your membership, click subscribe at the top right side. We charge just $65 a month. All the future forecasts where we are growing our account to $1 million profit. You guys can watch exactly what I'm buying and selling. Access to all of our trade calls as well as the metrics where 186 wins and 0 losses and a bunch of other stuff. And we coach you guys actually as a group in a Zoom call every single month. All right, guys, I love you. I'll see you in the membership. And we've got a future forecast coming out on Friday where we're going to be growing our account and making strategic plays to give ourselves over $1 million of profit this cycle. God bless, guys, and I'll see you in the membership.